Hi, in today's ControlUI tutorial, we'll look at how we can include multiple zones into the ControlUI environment. Previously, we have done how we can use a preset and also how each of these devices are linked up to the controller and also the web server. So today we'll look at how we can include zone. Now to include the zone, we need to go to our My Project resources and we look for this item called _md_zone. So once we pull out the zone, we can click and drag and drop into the configuration panel. From there, we can link the zone to the ControlUI module. To do that, we click on the controlling connector and then we link it to our controlling in our main ControlUI. So zone 1 here is connected to main ControlUI. Within a zone, we have also its own controlling and preset link. So say for example, I want to connect another projector up to in this zone. I drag and drop a projector into the configuration window and I click on the controlling connector again into the zone 1 controlling port. Now this would link up the projector to the zone 1. Now if I try to build this, of course it will not work because the projector is not connected to the controller. So to do that, we need to click on the IR connector, drag it over to controller, and let's say we just put it at IR3. Now, once we try to build, it's okay. Now, we'll do a test run. Start a simulation to see if this zone is working. Okay, once it's completed, we can do our testing. Again, we hit localhost 8080, do a refresh to download the new update. And yes, once it's done, you can see previously we actually dragged a preset into the ControlUI environment. So today we want to look at zone. Where is the zone button located? It is located here, just beside the home button on the main Explorer window, below ControlUI project or your title. So we click on this, we have all zone, main zone, and zone. Zone is the zone that we just connected up, zone 1. How do we change the name of this zone to reflect that it's maybe say another room? So if we click on zone, we can see that the display that we have drag and drop is already connected and we can actually go ahead and use it. Now, to change the name of the zone, we go back to our CVC project and we click on the zone 1. We have here in the properties pane the name zone. So say we can change this to movie room. Click OK, build, and we simulate again. So once this is done, we should be able to see the name change to movie room instead of just zone. So this can help you to quickly identify which room you have so that you can control the devices within that zone only. And it will also filter out the different zones. Okay, so once it's done, we hit the refresh button. Downloading. Okay, like this here. Now we click on the zone, and we can see here it changed to movie room instead of zone. So the zone module here that I introduced is actually an extension of your ControlUI, which helps you to visualize how your devices are being connected within the house or within the office or your system. So we need to make sure that the control links are connected properly, as well as the necessary IR or serial ports. So this concludes the short demo on how to use zones in ControlUI. Please like and subscribe our channel, and have a nice day. Bye bye.